Hi there! Have you ever wondered about the science behind brain training? Brain training means learning ways to improve memory, ability to focus, or simply put, stimulating your brain for a healthier mind. So let us talk about the science behind it. Did you know that our brain starts to decline in our late 20s? But just as we want to strengthen our muscles by exercising, we can also strengthen our brain in a similar way. We can improve our cognitive skills such as memory, attention, spatial skills, and many more with brain training. There are two types of intelligence: crystallized intelligence and fluid intelligence. Crystallized intelligence is the ability to use skills, knowledge, and experience. It is what people might term as being book smart. Examples of this would be language use and general knowledge, or having acquired information through the years. Fluid intelligence is the capacity to reason and solve new problems using logic in new situations. It is what people might term as being street smart. Examples of this would be the ability to identify patterns and solve new puzzles, as well as figuring out directions easily. Unfortunately, as we age, our fluid intelligence also declines. Where then does brain training come in? Brain training helps more in fluid intelligence as it trains your brain to perform more efficiently. Studies have shown that older people who have undergone brain training tend to have brains closer to the younger crowd. Here is an example of the brain state captured by EEG, which tracks and records brainwave patterns. This is the brain of an old person without training. This is the brain of the same old person after brain training. The more yellow the area of the brain, the quicker the brain response. Compared to the young adult brain that didn't undergo any training, the brain response of an older person after training can be similar to a younger person. More research is constantly being done on brain training, and many scientists are optimistic about the results pointing to the importance of mind stimulation for improved brain health. Let us now discuss gray matter. Gray matter contains most of your brain's neuronal cell bodies. The greater the volume of gray matter, the better your brain functions. As an example, a study was done by comparing the brain function of taxi drivers and bus drivers. Compared to bus drivers, taxi drivers tend to have greater volume of spatial-related gray matter. This has trained the memory and spatial areas of their brains compared to bus drivers who usually only take fixed routes. Brain training is a lifelong exercise for all ages starting from young to seniors. After proper training, the cognitive functions of the brain will likely improve. That's assuming proper diet, rest, and regular exercise are also observed. When done correctly, it gives people the potential to improve their overall brain function and achieve a healthier mind. And that is a small peek into the science of brain training. Thank you.